Hey folks, we're out here, we're driving by, and we put in this crossing about a month ago. I want to stop and check it out. It's real muddy when we put it in. It was the morning after a rain, and we hauled in all the dirt ahead of time to cover it up. Anyway, we had to get this done. You can notice this is kind of a driveway to nowhere, as you can see here. Had a permit off of a state highway, and we had to get the permit locked in before it expired. Doing a full driveway, full access to the property, decided we're going to throw in a tube and get a driveway established and hold the permit. Once we do that, we can come back in the future once this is grandfathered in. And if he decides to put a additional driveway or raise it up, the original plan was to go up behind me. We've got a rise, and there's another creek crossing or ditch crossing. We're going to throw a tube in there. And so he decided, because of the cost right now, he did not need access through here, but he had the permit with rules and things, the way they change, he wanted to lock that in. So we put in this tube, and so someday in the future he may have us come open up this fence, put a gateway in. If so, we'll probably raise the driveway, the fence about another 3 foot, so we can get across the ditch and have a real nice driveway, a great access to this property. The property has amazing view back on the back side, and so this will be the only access that he would have to that. And so we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.